guys, welcome to Process Medledge. I hope you all are doing good and have watched my previous videos. If not, what are you waiting for? Go for those after the end of this video. Now without wasting any time further, let's get into today's topic. So today's topic is galactosemia, a very important topic in pediatrics. So galactosemia is a metabolic disorder involving galactose metabolism. So galactose metabolism is impaired in galactosemia. It has got autosomal recessive inheritance. It can be due to the deficiency of either of the two enzymes, that is galactose 1 phosphate, uridyl transferase, or galactokinase. These two enzymes. Due to the deficiency of either of these enzymes, there is galactose accumulation in the body. And also, this galactose is excreted in urine of these patients. Now, coming to the clinical features of galactosemia. So, in galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase deficiency, symptoms begins within few days after birth, which includes vomiting, diarrhea, and failure to thrive. Along with that, we will get hepatomegaly, cataract, developmental delay, and seizures also. In galactokinase deficiency, cataract is the only manifestation. Okay. Now coming to the diagnosis, first is urinary Benedict's test. So it will be positive in case of galactosemia. Why? Because galactose is excreted in urine and galactose is a reducing substance. So since galactose is a reducing substance, so urinary Benedict's test will be positive. Also, newborn metabolic screening picks up galactosemia, and the diagnostic test is enzyme assay, that is galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase enzyme assay. Now coming to the management is lactose free diet, that is the treatment of choice, and genetic counseling should be provided to the parents for future pregnancies. Why lactose free diet is the management? Because lactose is a disaccharide made up of glucose and galactose. So by giving a lactose free diet, we are restricting the galactose intake in the patient. So as a result, we are treating galactosemia. Now let's revise the topic once again. So galactosemia, it is a metabolic disorder in which galactose metabolism is impaired. It is a autosomal recessive disorder. There can be deficiency of galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase enzyme or galactokinase enzyme. Both of this will lead to accumulation of galactose in the body, which can be excreted in the urine also. The clinical features are different for different enzyme deficiencies. First is galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase deficiency. In that, we will be getting the symptoms within few days of the birth, and the symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, failure to thrive, hepatomegaly, that is enlarged liver, cataract, developmental delay, and seizures. In case of galactokinase deficiency, cataract is the only manifestation. Now coming to the diagnosis, first is urinary Benedict's test, which will be positive in galactosemia. Then newborn metabolic screening is to be done, and enzyme assay is to be done, which is diagnostic. And management, as I have already mentioned, that is lactose free diet has to be given, and genetic counseling for the future pregnancy should be done for the parents. That's it, guys. So this was about galactosemia. I hope you like the video. If you like my content, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and also press the bell icon to get updated whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.